About it. All right, let's go ahead and show you what's going on with the showers out there. Promise no biting in the forecast here, at least from this end. All right, here's a look at what's going on. Albuquerque, pretty quiet. We do have a couple sprinkles still hanging in the area, but a lot of this is really not a big factor for us at this point. But as we head into tomorrow, we'll crank it up once again. Across the east here, as a cold front starts pushing its way down, we are touching off some showers between really Texaco and Portales back toward Roswell at this point. In south central sections, pretty good band of storms just to the north of Truth or Consequences. Could get a little wet in T or C here over the next hour or so if you're not getting there already. And then west central sections and seeing some scattered showers as well. For the most part here, what we're going to get is a series of cold fronts and little weather disturbances that are really going to help to touch off those storms. So right now, nice and cool in Albuquerque, 72. Southwest winds about 8 miles an hour. We had a gusty east wind a little bit earlier. Across the northeast, cool air in place, 50s and 60s there. Some 60s around Roswell, 70s in Carlsbad, Deming, and Las Cruces. Looking at the satellite and radar, we do hold on to some storms throughout the overnight hours. It's not going to be the kind of deal we're expecting a whole lot of rain overnight, but we do have a chance to pick up a little bit here. And overall, what we're going to get is a little shift in our high pressure, which is allowing this front to slide on through here. Now, behind the front is what's key. We're going to have plenty of moisture behind this. So you add the heat of the day tomorrow, and we will touch off some more thunderstorms. The fronts and these little weather disturbances, too, are real key in this whole deal. Jimena is not going to be as big a key in this whole operation because that high pressure, which does sit over us for now, is going to go ahead and block it out here for the next few days. The high sits here. It kind of turns Jimena out into the Pacific. Eventually, this will become a factor for us by maybe Sunday. But even that could be a situation where it could bring a few more showers, but not necessarily the key to our weather. One thing to watch for, though, is the fact that if we end up with a lot of high and mid-cloud cover, especially as we get into the day on Sunday, that does not allow for as much heating, and that can bring down the total number of thunderstorms. So we do have to watch that. And if we end up with this cloud cover just kind of sliding its way in here, not allowing us to heat up much, we could get fewer storms than we would ordinarily see with the cold fronts and with the weather disturbances. So, believe it or not, there's a downside to getting some of that moisture in here. But if we can get a little sunshine, crank up the temperatures a little bit, we will have a pretty active thunderstorm day, not only tomorrow, but probably all the way through the weekend. In the northwest, good chance of showers tomorrow. Northeast, Red River, Taos, Angel Fire, and the mountains has a good chance at showers. Clayton and Tucumcari a little more quiet. Across the south and west, good chance at showers here tomorrow. And over to the southeast, scattered storms possible here as well, especially over the Sacramentos, but a few could leak into Chaves, Eddy, and Lee counties. Over to Cedar Crest, Sandia Park, temperatures in the 70s, scattered thunderstorms possible, same deal here in the Albuquerque area. Cooler temperatures for tomorrow, a few spot storms lingering around, and then we could see some more over the weekend. Scattered storms possible each day over the next 4 in the state capital. Same deal here in the Albuquerque area. We've got a shot every day through the holiday weekend at getting some scattered thunderstorms.
All we needed was the holiday. Thanks,
yes,
Mark.
It comes right in, doesn't it?
Sports is next.